Hi guys, Ryu here with Narrative for Blender, and today I want to show you how you can achieve bloom effect in cycles. Now in Eevee that's easy, right, because you click on bloom and there it is. So let's switch to cycles and let me show you the settings, right? So first of all, number of samples will be about 250. I'm probably gonna go with 250 is fine, I think. Now, these numbers you might want to adjust to something like that. Now, transparency in transmission usually is used for glass, but since I'm using decals, okay, if my number is going to be below 4 here in cycles, I'm going to get nasty edges around the actual texture. So wherever the decal is transparent, you'll see like a noisy, kind of really ugly edge. So you want to pump that up to at least 4. And the rest is fine. Now tiles, in my case, is 248 by 248. This will depend on your machine and your hardware. So you just need to play with different numbers. So now we need to set up the compositor, right? So if you never used this before, what you need to do is click on use nodes and you will see these two nodes popping up. Then you need to add the noiser and glare. And glare is the one that's going to actually add bloom at the end. The only thing you need to change here is from streaks to fog glow, and that should do. Also, go back to layout and now go to scene and make sure you're gonna turn on denoising data, otherwise compositing won't be used at the end of rendering. Now we're good to go, so let's go ahead and render it. Okay, so you can see that no bloom effect is being displayed, right? So how it works basically is that compositor will kick in at the end and simply inject noise reduction. So we'll denoise the image and add bloom at the end. So I'm going to fast forward it a bit because we probably have like maybe 30 seconds left. Now watch this. Boom. That's how you can get bloom in cycles. Thanks for watching guys, hope you learned something useful. Drop me a like and subscribe if you did, and I'll talk to you in the next video.